Hlustaðu þegar Gígja kallar. Hlustaðu, svaraðu þegar Gígja kallar. Calling on all nations, through some calculations, found that it is time we had a deeper conversation. Would like to place an order, yet it's hard with all these borders. Everybody everywhere, together now, let's go. The moment we've been waiting for is now. Let's do the volcano. Let's do the volcano. Just do the volcano. Every vegetarian, every vegan. What? Every meat eater, it really doesn't matter. Let's do the volcano. Let's do the volcano. Just do the volcano. You've got hummus, delicious for a hike to the mountain. Try not to fall into the lava fountain. Ah, my hummus is on fire. Here everything catches on fire. Iceland just never gets tired. Iceland will never expire. Icelanders never retire. Cause Iceland is always on fire. Yeah, I the vine med ödlorna med traum. And now you know, so let's do the volcano. Just do the volcano. Let's do the volcano. Just do the volcano. Halló dalló, erum við ekki að fara að skapa aðeins til þarna Gígju? Já, Gígju, hver það? Úr Hafnarfirði? Ég að meina gosið Gígja. Nú, heitir það Gígja. Að sjálfsögðu, heyrðu, ekki að gleyma hummusið. Ha, hummus fyrir Gígju? Já, annars verður hálfrjá.